Imagine making your first 100,000 online, without leaving your house, without expensive equipment, and even without experience. Thousands of Nigerians are already doing it. And in this video, I'll show you the exact beginner-friendly methods you can start today. Welcome to MoneyRise Academy, where you learn how to make money online and grow financially. If you're serious about making money online, watch this video till the end, because the last method is the easiest for beginners. Freelancing means selling your skills online. You can offer services like graphic design, video editing, data entry, writing, social media management. Websites to start: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer. Even beginners can start with simple skills like typing or Canva design. Example, if you earn just $10 per job and do 10 jobs, that's about 150,000. Digital products are things you create once and sell many times. Examples: ebooks, Canva templates, phone wallpapers, online guides. You can sell them on WhatsApp, Paystack store, seller. If 100 people buy your 1,000 product, that's 100,000. This is one of the best long-term methods. You create faceless videos like money tips, motivation, facts videos. You earn from YouTube ads, affiliate links, sponsorships. Many people earn over 500,000 monthly from YouTube. And the best part, you don't need to show your face. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products and earning commission. Example, you promote a course worth 20,000 and earn 5,000 commission. Just 20 sales equals 100,000 you can promote using WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Making your first 100,000 online is possible if you stay consistent. Start with one method, learn daily, stay patient. Your future self will thank you. If you learned something new, subscribe to MoneyRise Academy for more money-making tips. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.